7HO16276 OCD Trooper Sheepster has been one of the most influential genetic contributors in recent times. His influence as a sire of sons and bull dance is unfolding every day. Sheepster's Dam OCD Acura Soy 60075 is one of my all-time favorite bull dams. Classified excellent, big lactation records, and possess the dairy strength, big rear udder, and athleticism required to thrive in any environment. The consistent pattern we saw in Sheepster heifers is translating into milking heifers that are correct in frame structure, wide chest floors, and good substance of bone. Udders that might even be better than his genomic predictions. The expectations to fill bulk tanks with high component milk exist based on his consistent track record of transmitting those traits to his sons and daughters. Let the fun begin for this potential generational sire.